It's Naya and Ellie.
And today we're doing Don't Choose the Wrong Baby Alive.
So in this challenge, our Baby Alives has had to use the potty. And they have delivered us a surprise in each of their potties. And in each round, the girls are going to pick a Baby Alive with her potty, and whatever is in the potty goes in your slime. Are you ready?
Yes.
And guys, before we get started, just so you know, what channel is this?
Naya versus Ellie.
Is this the Naya Nelly Toy Show?
No.
This is our new competition channel, so if you want to keep getting competitions like this, like what's in Baby Alive's potty, make sure you subscribe to this channel, Naya versus Ellie, and you hit what?
The subscribe button and notification button.
To get started, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick the first potty.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes.
Okay. It
This
looks
one.
like Team Little Sister. Okay, and the first potty she wants is the blonde baby. Okay, Ellie, take your baby off her potty.
Ooh.
What did she leave you?
She left me this.
Oh, it looks like a galaxy slime. So, and we're doing a no bowl, no mixing spoon challenge. So
We're gonna do it in the baby
you're
bowl.
gonna put it right here. Nope, you're gonna put it right here on the table.
Here, open it.
All right,
It's
we're gonna
like,
squeeze
it has like a galaxy like slime in it. You guys, look, it's falling apart.
It's a little dry looking, but I think it will work. So there is Ellie's number one.
Okay, I'm going to choose her. Kim.
Her name is Kim.
Yes, her name's that. No, her name's Rosie, her name's Cozy, and her name's Cozy. It's good to
Okay,
get
so can you take Cozy, I guess, off her potty?
Oh!
Oh, Naya's excited. Look what she got. Let's take
Cozy's
a
so
look.
nice.
So it looks like Naya from Posy, out of Posy's potty came this unicorn. This is your favorite. Not only is it
Well,
unicorn,
I got it.
not only is it unicorn, but it's blue glitter slime. Naya loves blue. This is your dream come true, basically.
Yeah, it's like a little, like a gem.
Okay, so let's see her take that out.
It's like aqua too, kind of. I got that out with my hair. Yeah. I hope it turns like a really zesty color, because I don't want it to be like, there's a unicorn in like the black forest.
Okay, since no one chose the baby in the middle, her slime is going to stay the same, and we're going to put the other two back on their potty. Okay, since Ellie went first last time, it's now Naya's turn. Oh, wait, Naya, so Naya is picking baby in the middle.
Because she didn't get chosen last one.
She didn't get chosen in the last one, so here she is. She looks like she's done something in that potty. She has a guilty face. Let's see what she left us.
Whoa!
It looks like she pooped out a green peanut slime.
And it's just easy.
What in the world?
Is this from the last round?
Naya, let's see you put it right there on the table so we can see what your slime looks like. The white table will really show it off. Just squeeze that. You don't have to use your nails.
Okay.
Just squeeze it to pop it.
I've never had
It looks like a
peanut
pickle.
before. No, I have. Yeah, it looks like a pickle. That's what I thought it was at first, a pickle, not a peanut.
Okay, so Ellie, which one are you choosing for this round?
This one.
Okay, Team Little Sister for this round. Guys, have you voted for Team Little Sister or Big Sister? Who do you want to win? Team Little Sister, which is Ellie, or Team Big Sister, which is Naya? Make sure you leave your comments below. Let us know whose team are you repping in this challenge. Ellie, you wanna lift Posy off her throne? It's stuck to Posy's butt.
It's red slime.
Let's take a look at this. Did you guys see that? This was stuck to Posy's butt. So it is now time for round 3, and it is Ellie's turn to go first. Ellie, whose potty are you choosing?
Cool.
Okay, let's see what's in her potty. I had to wrap it up.
Ooh, it's a rainbow, but it's really pretty. It's a rainbow.
Okay, so let me take a look at this. So look, she pooped out. She left in her potty for us a rainbow poop. Okay,
Oh,
Ellie,
it's so pretty.
let's see you open that.
Oh, I remember I got the actual poop one. Yeah, I'm happy that I didn't got the actual poop. What you got again?
All right, let's see you shake it on the table.
I'm shaking the baby lice poop. You got a potty poop.
One of our first viral videos was Baby Alive pooping, guys. Look at what she has, guys.
Ew, it looks like a potty, like she drove
It
like
looks
all
like
this, like
it looks
potty.
like some type of internal organ that has turned into slime, and it's really soft.
Yeah, and it's
really
like a
soft.
galaxy.
All right, so Naya, who are you choosing for this potty wrap?
I got Santa Claus.
So Naya has this Santa Claus. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it looks like there's just some white beard slime in him. Is it a little dry?
Yeah, it's not like. Yeah, it's crunchy.
All these slimes in these contain. Oh no, this is putty. That's why. Ew, and there's like.
You messed up, Mommy.
And it's a little. We're gonna have to mix it. So this is a putty. All right, so Naya, it is now your turn. Who are you choosing?
This guy.
All right, so let's see you take her off the potty. You got a green slime. Let's take a look at this. It's like a
potty gorilla.
yeah.
Oh,
All right,
I finally got like one of the slimes that like Ellie got, like, cause so all her slimes are like this. What is this? I have an alien. I hate aliens.
Okay, so look guys, there's an alien that came in there. You gotta keep it with your slime. Don't mix them up yet. Keep all your slime separate over there. So Ellie, who are you gonna choose out of the two girls left?
This way.
Okay, she's choosing that one.
Oh, she got yellow stuck to the wall. Oh.
Ellie got yellow, and it's just like her red one, but it is yellow. And I think if I put it back in the jar, it is a noise putty one, Ellie. Ellie, what baby alive would you like to have?
I want this one.
Okay, she is picking Posey. Oh! Naya is feeling some kind of way. Let's see that one, Ellie. So take a look at Ellie's, guys. It looks pretty cool. I really like this one. It looks, it fell onto the ground, guys.
It kind of feels a little like this.
Oh, it feels like water. It feels like water. Okay, Naya, out of the two baby alives left, who are you choosing?
I want to choose her.
Oh, well, let's see what you have. Oh, she has pink slime, but there is an alien inside, and you just said you hate aliens. Are you upset?
Yeah, this can be her boyfriend.
All right, go ahead and open it, Naya. Oh, it looks kind of, he does look kind of cringy. But this putty feels amazing. Did you feel the putty?
Yeah.
It feels really good. Okay, so Naya, why don't you go ahead and pick her up and let's see what's in her potty. You got a
Napa peanut.
So Naya got a purple peanut this time, and let's open it up.
What's your favorite color, guys? Tell us whose slime colors you're liking better right now. But like all of these slimes are like jelly type kind of.
Yeah, they are like jelly slimes. They're like jelly putty slimes.
Yeah, I don't really get like, and then I have like goopy, like sloppy slimes.
Okay, Ellie, so who are you going to choose?
I am ready to choose Hulk.
Wow, so the blonde one is really not getting picked today. Well, she fell off the potty for you. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you why. This is why Naya was screaming, because she wanted this unicorn. She said in the last round. It looks like she already tried to open it.
I
noticed. That's why the case was
Mommy,
open. So this is what she got. Do you guys like that sign? It does have a rainbow look to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty,
I'm gonna make
cool.
a unicorn out of this shape.
So Team Little Sister,
This one.
You go first in this round. All right, let's pick her up and see what's in there. There is nothing in there, and the reason there's nothing in there is because it was too big. I had to keep it out. Her potty was so big, I had to leave it out the toilet.
Her potty was too big.
Her pooping was so big, it fell out the potty. You ready to see it?
Yeah.
She pooped out this giant gold slime. Are you excited?
Yay!
Ooh, Ellie, this one is really... Oh, I think I'm gonna keep this for myself.
No!
Oh, I love this. Oh, it's like liquid gold. So this is what Ellie's working with, guys. It's really, really
Wait, I got a good idea.
It's
How about
really
I
gold.
like put the gold and I could put my
Wait, can I
unicorn?
ask you, what happened to your baby alive?
She's just falling down casually, just doing some foot massages.
She's falling down casually doing some foot massages. Okay. All right, so Naya, who are you going to choose? Are you choosing? You want the blonde girl? All right, lift her back up, please.
I know. It's Bill.
Okay.
That's why Mommy said what she had.
Okay, it looks like you got this little, your stinking cute poop slime. Oh, you happy, Naya?
No.
Oh,
It's so cool.
It looks like hot cocoa. Does it smell like poo?
No, not really. You have to touch it, Ellie. It feels so nice.
Team Ellie, let's give you a reminder of all her slimes before she mixes them together. Team Big Sister Naya, this is what you're working with for yours.
I hate this.
Before we mix it. All right, ladies, start mixing them together.
Okay.
Mix them all in one. You might want to get your trash out the way, Ellie.
Let's mix all these in.
Smash them all together and let's see what you get.
And get all this out.
See
It
if
won't
it,
mix together.
it may not. Just try it. Try to get it. all
This one doesn't mix.
I love this one. I thought it was a
Oh, I'm loving that. Let's look at Naya's mix. Oh, yeah, she's loving that. Look, she left that poop on the side. She got to mix it in. Look at hers so far. Looking pretty.
Like mine.
Oh, Ellie's is looking good. Hers is just a bunch of gold.
yeah.
Guys, leave a comment. Who has the best Baby Alive poopy surprise slime?
And now finally the alien.
This is it.
Naya, what? What is this? Did she poop out a poopy alien? This is the grossest thing ever.
House movie.
Okay, that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below who won this Baby Alive Slime Challenge, and we will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.